首先要調節自己嘅諗法。咁病唔係一件羞恥嘅事嚟嘅，病係身體冇人想發生嘅事。咁點樣去同人哋傾偈？要同人 share，即係話俾屋企人聽，話俾朋友聽，要傾將內心唔開心嘅嘢或者情緒要抒發出嚟。呢一個係好重要。佢哋咧，其實都有啊，因為其實我覺得情緒啦、遺傳啦，都係一個好大嘅影響。咁其實而家好多人啦，可能都會因為好多生活上嘅問題啦，令到自己嘅情緒唔係幾好啦，或者係心情唔好啦。咁其實呢一啲都會影響到會患病咯。咁所以其實調節自己嘅心情係好重要。點樣去樂觀啲啦？遇到問題嘅時候，可能要同人哋傾下偈啦，唔好屈住啦，咁呢啲都係有幫助咯。
明白。好啦，咁當然啦，即係你講得好啱，我都會。
A big thank you also goes to our girl sponsors, including her own voice, her own words, Hong Kong Designer Con, the Royal Garden, and Pink partner Del Monte. And Del Monte, we all know Del Monte. Thank you. Please give her a big hand. I would also like to say a special thank you to Miracle Group and Pizza Express.
Thank you very much， 俾掌聲佢哋啦，好唔好啊 ？Please give a big applause to them. Thank you so much。好啦，多謝台上咁多位嘅朋友啦，我哋演完上之後咧，就有請 Sally 同埋上面留步嘅 Sally 係癌症基金會嘅免費乳癌支援服務，希望大家可以咧購物行善2合1。我哋而家就好高興咧，今年亦都得到好多品牌嘅支持啦。呢個時候咧，都想藉住今日嘅機會咧，多謝咁多位贊助商嘅鼎力支持，邀請佢哋合照㗎。So every year, several generous shops are joining